Hey guys, Chocolate Muffin HD here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I've never done this on my channel, and I'm sorry the quality is going to be really bad at the moment, and the microphone is. Camera's not working, so let's go into it. So basically, if you don't know what Gfuel is, it's made by Gamma Labs, which is Gfuel, but it's an energy drink. Came by Royal Mail. I'm not going to show you my details. But let's get straight into it by cutting into the box. I hope there's going to be 2 orders in here, because I made 1 order and then I made a second order. Hopefully they put them both in the box, but if not, then I will do an update. But let's get right into it. Away. There we go. It's been cut. Let's try. Oh, it opens this way. Right. Here we go. So let's get into it. So, what the main thing that I bought was it was a limited edition. It's a limited edition whiteboard thing. So basically, you can draw on it, customize it, however you want. Check that out in a minute. What else did I buy? That is an invoice. You get some new flavors. Looks pretty nice. It's a sticker. Yeah, I think it's that's a nice sticker. And then you get some more. Go in your own game. Some scuff controllers, and then a thank you for your order. So, what did I order? I ordered three of each. I did the 3 of each try. So we have let me just do those. So we have pink lemonade. We got 3 of them, and we've got strawberry shortcake. Got 3 of them. That's for this order though. I did order another one, as I said, and that order was 3 more of these, because I feel like these are going to be really nice. And I don't know about these ones, but I also bought some ice cream flavored ones. I can't remember what they're called. Lemon sherbet, something like that. But yeah. Right, let's get into this now, because this is what we're talking about. I used code PewDiePie. It's on the screen right now, and it was 30% off, so which is good, to be honest. So I saved quite a lot. But yeah, I think it's now gone down to 10%. It's really hard doing this with one hand. Only if my camera would have worked. Right, it's opened. Alright, let's get into it. So here we have the just the nice Gfuel. I could have got PewDiePie's starter kit, bottle of water there, but I decided not to, because they didn't really have any good colours. I feel like the white one would suit me best. Nothing else in there. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. So they do give you 3 markers. I'm not going to draw on it, because I just like the clean white one. But yeah, get that, and then you get this, if we can get it out. Get this to be able to shake it up, and then that's it. So where do I draw a line to? It's not really anything on here. I've never done this before. This is my first ever order, so I need to read of how to do it. Add 1 pack of water and then shake it. Is there no line or anything? I guess not. I guess we're just gonna have to fill it up. Right. It's a bit dirty. Oh well. Just for this video, we're gonna try it out. Right. So we're gonna open the water. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. In the next video, guys, I promise we're going to have a better camera sorting system. So I'm going to just fill it up. I don't know how far I should fill it up. I'll just fill it up until the water stops. And what flavour we're going to try? I feel like trying strawberry shortcake. But I don't know how to do it. Let's go on the back here. Does it say? Let's try focus. So, do not exceed the amount. Literally, it says add 1 pack And there, here we go. We pour it in, shake it, and then we get the energy. Right, I'm going to open this one. So why not? Put it down for a minute. Oh, it already smells really nice. Alright, let's just pour it in. Oh, look at that colour. That colour looks pretty nice. Any more. I think that's it. Oh, it smells really nice. And then, I guess we add this thing back on. And then put the lid back on, obviously. I guess we shake now. How long does it say how long we need to shake for? Does it say how long? It does not say. So I'm just gonna shake it for a bit, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Right, guys, I've shaken it for quite a long time now. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes, and if we open it. If we open it, I'll show you what it looks like inside. So, basically, it's just bubbling. I thought it was going to be like a smoothie. I don't know why, but I felt like it was going to be some sort of smoothie. It looks to be shooken up properly. Let's just take this thing out a minute. Yeah, it's a nice colour. It looks to be shooken up properly. So now let's try it. Just put this back on. But yeah, I mean, I recommend this, to be honest. I don't know about the pink lemonade though. I generally wish I didn't buy that because I don't know if it's going to taste good. But yeah, first time ever buying Gfuel. You know, there's a lot of flavors. As you see on the back, you've got twisted candy, I think it is, and then you've got gummy bears, and then the blackcurrant one. All right, let's open the lid, and then you can see what I see, which is not much. That is actually really nice. I don't really taste the shortcake though. It's a shame that it's watery. I think I might have added a bit too much water. But on the whole, I think it's really nice. I do recommend using PewDiePie's code, because it is one of the best codes there is. I don't think there's any other better code. That is really nice, actually. But yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a big fat like. Thank you for over 300 subscribers now, I think it is. Only really started uploading in December last year, so it's now January. That's 2 months. I mean, we did upload before, but yeah, we deleted all the videos and tried to start again as we got addicted to Fortnite and stuff, which was about 2016. But yeah, we had subscribers from them, but over 300 subs now, I think it is. Almost at 400, I think. Yeah, I'll put it up in the description or so. And people have been asking me about the giveaway I did on screen right now. The Galaxy skin bundle. The winner is on the screen right now. I don't know your name, but congratulations for winning. Can you contact me and let me sign into your account and all meet up and you can do it yourself. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to buy Gfuel, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go buy it. I'll also leave a PewDiePie's code. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.